Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home? What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. But when your toilet stops working, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called SAM. SAM can detect the first sign of a leak or flood and notifies you with the issue and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.